Elena.
And I'm Allie.
And welcome to our Wise Vlog.
Today we're going to talk to you about what to pack. So the first question we have is, what kinds of things will I need to pack for the conference?
In your welcome packet that you should have received, there's a suggested packing list. One tip, though, is to bring any medication with you in your carry-on. The Wise staff is not able to distribute any medication, so make sure you bring that with you. Do I need to bring a laptop or tablet to the summit?
No, you're not required to bring a laptop or tablet, though many students do choose to bring one. And if you have a smartphone, feel free to bring that as well. We do encourage you to blog and to post on social media throughout the entire summit. We provide you a workbook and a writing utensil, so it is a good idea for you to bring a backpack. We have a small backpack that we give you, but if you want something a little bit more tough to go with you all day, then I recommend that you bring that. You do not need to bring any sort of electronics to document your time. Your workbook does a great job of laying it all out for you. You can write directly in there. Elena, what kind of clothes should I wear during the conference?
That's a great question. Dress code always brings up so many questions for our delegates. The dress code is laid out in your welcome packet in a chart. There's also more information on your portal with examples of what to wear. I'll talk through some of this though with you. On arrival day, you should wear your Wise t-shirt, and then you'll change into professional clothes for dinner and our speaker. We will wash your t-shirts so that you can re-wear them on Monday when we go to the zoo. Tuesday will be at our field visits, so you can wear casual clothes. We do, however, require that you wear closed-toed shoes to those sites. Wednesday will be at National Geographic Society, and professional clothes are required for that day. Thursday will be on Capitol Hill, and again we'll be in professional clothes. And Friday is departure day, so you can wear casual clothes that you will feel comfortable traveling in.
Thank you so much for listening to our vlog today. We hope you enjoyed and got some great information about what to pack.
Thank you.